Hello everyone and welcome back to another Solidworks lecture. So for this video we're going to start going over what it means to sketch in 3D. So if we come up here to the Sketch tab, now under Sketch there's a little drop down here. We can go ahead and we can click on 3D Sketch, and that's going to allow us to create sketch elements that exist in 3 dimensions. So far we've worked exclusively in 2 dimensions where we'll create a 2D sketch on a plane. This will allow us to toggle between different planes and create sketch contours that exist in 3 dimensions. So let's go ahead and give that a try. So I'm going to go ahead and change the 3D sketch, and I'm just going to grab the line element. Hold up. I'm going to make sure that I'm in 3D sketch. There we go. Select the line. And now let's take a look. So what you see here in red, that's the axis that we're going to be sketching on. And if I hit the tab button, it allowed me to toggle between the axes. So you see now it's in the YZ, and now it's in the ZX. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to start sketching in the, let's see, ZX is going to what I want to do initially. So let's go ahead and start sketching. And if you notice, it's telling me where on this plane my sketch element is going. So it allowed me to snap it to be along the Z-axis. I'll just bring it here, and it's going to snap. And you're going to see this relation pop up. That's telling me that it's locked to be along the Z-axis. So let's just keep on going. I'm going to put, keep going. Start on this point. Now I want to go up. X, Y will be fine for me to go upwards. So I'm going to, why is he going to arc? I don't want arc. I want a line. Alright, there we go. Now I'm going to go straight up and drop it. Now I want to go along the x-axis. So I'm just going to draw along here, snap it to the x-axis, and I'm good. Now I'm going to go back down. Alright, now I want to go along the z-axis, so I'm going to tab into the new plane that allows me to do that. YZ allow me to do that, like so. And now I'm going to create a line that's not tapped, that's not along an axis. So I'm going to go to the XY, and I'm going to create a line just like that. Alright, so I got my shape. I'm going to use this to create a sweep curve. So a good rule of thumb is when you're creating 3D sketches is to create the shape first, add relations, and then add dimensions, and do it in that order, piece by piece. So I'm going to start with this first sketch. So the line is already black, which tells me the line itself is constrained, but the point is under constrained. So I just need to add in a dimension. So I'm just going to click Smart Dimension, and I'm going to make this 4 inches long. Alright. So moving on. So this line is also black because it's going to be along the y-axis. So that allows the line to be fully constrained. I'm going to put in a dimension here, make that 3, and that's good. Same thing here. I'll do 4. I'll do 3 here, and I'll do 4 here. All right. So those lines are pretty straightforward because they're already constrained to be along a particular axis. Now let's take a look at an example of a line that isn't constrained to be along a particular axis. So I'm going to rotate this, and if I grab hold of this, I can swing it around so it doesn't always lay flat on that XY plane. I'm going to need to add some more relations to it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to unhide my planes. And I'm going to add a relation so that this line runs parallel to the XY plane. So I'll click on it, hold down Control, and select the front plane. And I'm going to make sure that it is parallel with the plane. So I can change it so it's parallel. But now if I go normal to it, it's still going to swing up and down because it's not lying flat along a particular axis. So this is where construction geometry is going to really be valuable. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in a center line right on this point, And I'm going to have this go straight up so it lies along the y-axis. So now I'm able to add in a reference angle to fully constrain this line. So smart dimension between this line and this line, we'll make that 45 degrees. And we'll give it a length. We'll give it a length of 3. So there we have it. We have a fully constrained sketch. I'm going to go ahead and hide those planes again. Now I'm going to add in some fillets. So between this line and this line, we'll make it 0.5. Same here. Same here. Same here. And same here. And we'll hit OK. So now we have a nice smooth curve to go ahead and do a sweep on. So I'll exit the sketch, go to Features, Sweep, Circular Profile, and I'll select this point right here. We'll make it a little bit thicker, throw in Thin Feature, so it's a thickness of say 0.05. And there we have it. We have our sweep along 3 dimensions. So that's going to do it for this video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more content such as this. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.